Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, well, that's amazing. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. Aries, what are the Aries person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? And we are having here Empress, Seven of Cups, Two of Cups, Ace of Swords. What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? King of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? Ten of Pentacles, Four of Swords. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Two of Cups, Seven of Cups. Aquarius with this Empress card. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ace of Swords, Four of Swords. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Let's talk about your person's feeling and your person. Now, there are some, when we have some kind of acceptation from a person, and then we realize that the other person actually, in these acceptations, we realize that when a person realizes actually you are really kind, humble, nurturing, loving, caring, mercy in your heart. They get that. And they want you to show some mercy. Okay, I do something wrong with you, but you are the person who can that have power to forgive a person and heal that, you know. These kind of acceptations from you, you will forgive them, you will heal them, you will take care of them, you will understand them, and you will show some mercy. These kind of acceptations and realizations in this person, and they want reunion. These acceptations and realization, and what they want from you, they want you to reunite with me, rescue. They want you to heal me, be with me, stood by my side. This is they want from you now. And this person is confused. Okay, this is what they feel about you, this is what they accept from you, this is what they realize. This is what they want, but this person confused. How can they get, how even they deserve that? These kind of feelings in this person's mind and confusions, and these all are illusions. They are giving themselves illusion, like you will get them, you will. How? Why? Whatever they done, they need to look at their own self, what they done, what they did to you. Then they can accept these things from you. And now this person is confused. The confusion, how to reach you, how to get you, how to make you realize that they want you. A lot of other confusions as well, a lot of options in front of this person, and they don't know what they want, how they will get, how to get what they want. These kind of confusion. And with this Ace of Sword, you are cutting this person off. They know that in order to get you, they have to be a warrior and give you clarity. If they want a fresh new start, it's not like that a soft and honey kind of start, fluffy kind of start. They have to be a warrior. They need to win your trust back. The way you are, you want clarity. You don't want this confused person who just always confused. You want a person who know what they want and never get confused. But this person is confused. A lot of acceptations from you. They think you are humble, mercy, kind, and they want you to reunite with me. How? Where to start? Illusions, confusions in this person's mind, and they want this new beginning. Clarity. They know that you want clarity. You are not easily giving yourself up to this person. And with this King of Cups and Queen of Cups, you are emotionally more stable now, relaxed now. within a time, your emotions, your feelings. You are coping up with your emotions and feelings, and you are relaxed, calm down, and you actually now you know how valuable your emotions and affection are. This is not for anyone, any confused person. So you are really focused on your emotions and trying to cope up and try to make a rhythm with your emotions and feelings. And for that, for now, you are not wasting your emotions and feelings to anyone. You are holding your love to yourself. You want to value that. You want to, it's worthy. Your value, your feelings, your emotions worthy. And now you realize that love is a commitment. When you attract to somebody, when you like somebody, when you spend some your time with this person, this is a commitment, this is responsibility. Taking care of other person's heart and your heart, both parties take care of each other's emotions and heart. That's how relationship works. This is you get that now, and you are not wasting your emotions and feelings to a person who's confused. And you already invest your 100%, you give all of you, 100% of you. Now you are waiting for your fruitful result. And you are the person who always look for steady, stable start. You are the person who always, you don't like chaos, drama, disagreement, mind games and tricks. You want steady and stable beginning. And this, for this person, you want steady, stable beginning. For them, you are cutting them off. This is how they're taking your pentacle. They think you are cutting them off. If they think you are the person who is really kind, it's really hard for them. They need to understand that you are offering them stability and steady beginning, not this war. And this is not that tough. All they need to do just to be, steady. Try to take it easy, remove their own confusions, and then take a start. And you're not giving your love to this person. You were, and now you are not giving your love to this person, and now you are coping up with your own emotions. And this is about marriage. Pentacles is about this person, maybe family, sometime reason, maybe culture difference, maybe reason, but they are all want to share their culture and family with you. Or maybe it's about when it's getting more stronger from your side. Break is still on with this four of sword is about when you're not ready to deal with this person somewhere. You know that getting a hint from future, getting a vibes like this break is on, still on. It will extend within a time. And this person want, they become more stable, they will become more, get that how they need to understand, more evolving things, more evolved. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. Okay. Queen of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Strength. With this Queen of Pentacles, this person got that you spending more time with yourself, self love in you. You are being real. You are not wearing any kind of fake mask. You are the person who is really real and down to earth, nurturing, caring, kind, and now loving yourself. You are enjoying your own company. You are being happy with yourself. This is a phase, this is a really beautiful feelings when you are totally happy with your company, when you're enjoying yourself. You are enjoying yourself and you are being real here. This is a roller coaster. Sometimes you think everything is ups and down, but we are going with flow. It's gonna be fine in the end. It will turn into your favor. You are the remedy for this person. You are the cure for this person, and you are really strong. You need to be strong, and you are strong. You are really strong. You control all of your emotions, feelings, desires, all of it. You know that your feelings and desires are worthy, and if you set them free, it will hurt you. So you are not setting your desires and feelings free. You are controlling them. You totally control yourself and your emotions, and you're really strong. And if you are not doing that, you need to do that. This is your outcome position. This card want to tell you. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries, and what else we have for you. What should you do? And what else we have for you, Aries? And we are having here Magician, Ten of Swords, Wheel of Fortune again. Well, that's amazing. This person trying, this person is manifesting on you. They want to control you, they want to get you, they are just manifesting. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be resolved. You are sad here, but in this sadness, you need to find your light. When we are sad, we actually accept things. You are in this process when you are accepting things. You need to accept and just find your happiness, something in your poor heart, a sad feelings. But you need to find your light. Everything is gonna be fine. Everything is gonna be smooth. Just go with flow. You are the person. Feel your worth. Feel you are the control. Right now, your fate is under your control, and your decisions can change it, merge it. You can fluctuations and all that, but ups and downs. All you need to do just to believe in this fact. This is a fact. The fate is in your control. Just have faith that in this reality. Wheel of Fortune again as an outcome. Your decisions, your willpower can change your fate. This is a time, this is a phase. Utilize it. Find light. Just don't be sad and all that. Just find your light and your brightness and enjoy yourself. And yes, you are doing great. You are controlling your emotions, your feelings, you're valuing, giving some value to your feelings and emotions, and that's an amazing thing to do. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. Schooling, study, and education help your life purpose and personal growth at this time. The angel will guide you and help you with this process. Wow, I'll learn. Schooling, study, website, if you are writing a book or reading a book, if you are in website and all, and anything you're doing right now, schooling, just, do some study, pay attention on that, and it will, angels will guide you. What should you do? You will, create something new. It's a time. You can create something new, a new idea and all that. And about the situation, believe that will this fate is in your hand. Your actions, your willpower, your decisions will change your fate and merge it. Whatever you want to, just write your own fate. This is a time, this is a phase for you. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. No need to fix, need to accept. Give yourself space. Say thanks. Stop making bad choices. These are few advice messages in the end. And somebody of your reading is you are this person accepting things from you. They think you will show some mercy. They want to reunite with you. And they are confused as well. They know you are enjoying your company. And you are totally controlling your feelings, emotions, and giving value and worth to your feelings and emotions. And you are waiting for your fruitful result. You always want steady, stable beginning, and wheel is in your favor. Fate is in your hand. Now it's time you can change your fate. Just have faith. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.